In this video, I'll show you how to join the Surfshark affiliate program. First, open a web browser on your device and search for Surfshark affiliate program. From the search results, click the link that says Join the Best VPN Affiliate Program. Once the website opens, click the Become an Affiliate button. You will now see an account details form. First, choose your account type, then enter your address and phone number. After filling in these details, click the Next button. Next, enter your first and last name, job title, and email address, and create a strong password. After completing these fields, check the required boxes to agree to the terms, and then click Next. After that, you'll be asked to answer a few additional questions, such as, where did you hear about the Surfshark affiliate program? How do you plan to drive traffic to Surfshark? The link to your website or channel where you plan to promote Surfshark. Which products you are planning to promote. Whether you plan to drive traffic through mobile app advertising using Apps Flyer. Once you have provided all the required answers, click the Submit button. That's it. Your application will be submitted and sent for review. After the review process, a Surfshark representative may contact you to complete the affiliate program registration. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.